To force a line, y equals x plus 4, to be tangent to a graph of f of x equals k squared of x, we need two things to be true. We need, first, for the two to actually intersect each other, and second, for the slope of the line to be equal to the slope of the function, or the derivative of the function. And so we can represent those two truths with two different equations. First, to have them intersect each other, we just need them to equal each other. So x plus 4 is equal to k root x. Okay, this equation says that the two functions will intersect each other. And second, we need the slope of the line to be the derivative of the function. Well, the slope of the line is 1 equals, and then we can take the derivative of this function. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this function, first of all, just as k times x to the 1/2, and then we can use our power rule. So we bring the 1/2 down, we get k halves times x to the, and then we subtract 1 from the power to get negative 1/2. All right, and now we're going to solve one of these equations for one variable and then plug it in for the other variable. It doesn't really matter which one you do, which equation you pick and which variable you pick. I like to just pick the easiest one. So it looks to me like k is the easiest thing to solve for right here. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So first of all, I'm going to rewrite this just a little bit. This negative exponent means that this x is actually in the denominator. So this is k over and then 2x to the positive 1/2. All right, so I'm just going to rewrite this so it's a little bit cleaner. 1 equals k over 2x to the 1/2. And then to get k by itself, we'll multiply both sides by 2x to the 1/2. 2x to the 1/2. Okay, and of course that's 2x to the 1/2 is equal to k. All right, now that I have k in terms of x, I'm going to go ahead and take that and plug it in to that k there. So I have x plus 4 equals 2x to the 1/2, 2x to the 1/2, and then times root x, and of course root x is x to the 1/2 as well. Okay, now we can simplify a little bit. So I've got x plus 4 equals 2 x to the 1/2 times x to the 1/2 is just x. Okay, we're multiplying two things with the same base, so we add the exponents. And 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1. And now if I subtract x from both sides, we get 4 is equal to x. Now the goal of this problem is actually to find k, and so we're going to take this x value that we have and we're going to plug it in over here. And so I have 2 times 4 to the 1/2 is equal to k. Okay, 4 to the 1/2 is the square root of 4, which is 2. And so I get k equals 4.